What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Pittsburgh Steelers version of the newly released Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 37. So these shoes were just dropped on October 1st and has a retail price tag of $130. They're available in all 32 team colorways, and at the time of this recording, there's still a lot of stock available at many different retailers throughout the country. The Air Zoom Pegasus is a running shoe, and this newly released model does have some upgrades over the previous models. It sports the Nike React foam in the midsole, which is lightweight and durable for better cushioning. And the Air Zoom unit at the forefoot is twice as large as the previous versions. The midfoot band adapts to the size of your foot for comfortable and secure steps. It is a low top running shoe, and this is the Pittsburgh Steelers version. And this is an officially licensed product from the NFL made by Nike. This shoe is available in unisex sizing for men and women, and this could be a great gift for any sports fan that's in your life. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox these shoes. We're gonna do a thorough review. I'm gonna hit you with an on feet, and then I'm gonna leave you with my thoughts on if these shoes are worth $130. So if you've seen these and you're slightly interested in picking up these shoes, whether you're a Steeler fan or a fan of any other of the 31 teams, I do hope that this review helps you. If this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you guys could do that thing that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss any content. So a running shoe is not typically a shoe that I would buy. I'm not a runner. I typically don't like the way the silhouettes look, and it's not something that I would normally buy on a regular basis or pretty much at all. However, for the past couple of years, I've been seeing the Steelers and other teams release these kinds of shoes, and I have passed up until this point. But my curiosity has gotten to me when it comes to the release of this shoe that just came out. I knew that they were releasing. I kept seeing it on the Steelers website. They didn't really show any really good pictures leading up to it, just some ones from far away that had Ben Roethlisberger wearing the shoe. And then when they released, I was like, all right, you know what, they're in stock and I'm gonna just pick them up. So I got these from the Steelers Pro Shop at Steelers.com, and they cost $130. As a side note, I do have an NFL credit card, so whenever I added these to my cart and I paid with that card, they actually gave me 20% off. So if you do have an NFL Rewards credit card, you could get these for pretty cheap. So it went from being $130 to $103 shipped, because I also got free shipping. And that wasn't even a discount that I was planning on. I figured since it was a brand new release that it would be ineligible for a discount like certain other items, like a custom jersey or something like that. Thank you, Steelers. So one of the other perks about living in Pittsburgh and you're a Steelers fan is that when you order something from the Pro Shop, you get it pretty much the next day. So I just got these in the mail and I just ordered them. So with the discount and the fast shipping, so far I'm impressed. Alright, so here I got the box. And if I'm being honest with you guys, I did have a little bit of buyer's remorse after I did place this order, even though I got a discount, just because I don't know, I kind of feel like this is something that I'm not going to wear. But let's see how I feel towards the end of the review after I unbox these things. So here we got just a regular orange box, Nike. We got the Nike right there at the top. Size tag right here reads Nike Zoom Pegasus 37 Steelers. This is a size 8.5. And this would be a size 10 in women's. So you got white tissue paper here. And bam! So in hand, I really do like the colorway, Steeler colorway. And I don't know, I'm not a big fan of running shoes. Here you got your back heel. Comes this little point. The shoe is very light. It really doesn't have any weight to it at all. But I am a Steeler fan and I really do like the colorway and the Steelers logos and stuff like that and the places that they put them. And I'm sure that if you're a fan of another team or something like that, whether it's the Seahawks or Ravens or Chiefs or something, the team branding is what's going to sell this for you. But now that we have these unboxed, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at the Air Zoom 37 Pegasus. So here's our first up-close look at the Air Zoom Pegasus 37. Now the upper of the shoe has this breathable mesh, and that is one reason why the shoe is so light. And it will provide some cooling features, if you are using these to run. And you can kind of see through it here in the middle of the shoe. Now back here you have your Steeler logo, and if you got a different team or something like that, you would have that logo there. And here you have your lace eyelets, and these ones are black and gold, and this kind of feels like a leather, maybe like a low-grade leather. Now here you get this white rubber midsole, and then it fades into this black, and it has like some perforations throughout, and you have your Air Zoom right there. And you do have your Nike swoosh along the side, coming to your front toe box. Now I have found one flaw. If you could tell right here on the Nike swoosh, it's kind of peeling a little bit right there. So that kind of sucks. Now on the inside portion of the shoe, you're going to have your black Nike logo right there. And down here in the midsole, it's going to say, engineered to the exact specifications of world-class runners. Nike Running. Now this particular shoe has black laces, and you do have that nylon mesh tongue, and your tongue will read Nike Zoom Pegasus 37. On the back of the shoe, on the heel tab, it's going to say running with the Nike symbol. Now inside the shoe, you're going to have a black sock liner, but the insides are different. The right shoe here has the Nike swoosh, and then the other one says Steelers in the official Steelers font. And here, your tongue is sewn into the shoe, so it's not like independent on its own. It will go down, but it is sewn to the sides of the inside. So on the bottom of the shoe, you're going to have your black rubber parts that go up the side here. And then you're going to have your yellow traction pods here that go all the way to the back. And then in the middle of the shoe, you're going to have that Nike logo. Overall, so far, there isn't really too many flaws or anything. I did find that one on the Nike swoosh by the front toe box. But, I don't know. Let me throw these on feet and see how I feel about them. Now don't get me wrong, this shoe is very light, it is comfortable, the colorway is dope, huge Steeler fan, loving the Steelers logos on these things. This is definitely going to match anything that I ever wear on game day, that's for sure, 100%. But to be completely honest with you, this is not a shoe that I would probably buy again in hindsight. It's just not my style. It's not that it's a terrible shoe, I'm not telling you not to buy these or anything like that whatsoever. If this is something that you rock, or something that you get down with, if you're a runner, or you just want to support the Steelers and you just want something to match your clothing, by all means, cop this shoe. But I just think that there's so many other better colorways out there, in silhouettes that you could get, like the Air Jordan 12 University Gold, or just something like that, a Jordan 1 University Gold, that actually is more stylish and fits more in line with someone like me. But retail for $130, if you do pay, full price for these, it's not bad. But this shoe is just something that I'm not totally crazy about. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is going to get a 7 from me. It is comfortable, it is dope, it is something that, I could see a lot of people wearing and being totally happy with. But like I said, it's just not for me. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think of these shoes. And let me know if you picked up any other shoes in any other team colorway. And what are your thoughts on them? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you wish you didn't buy them? Let me know down below. As always, I would like to thank you all for rocking out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. Before you bounce out, if you haven't already, could you please hit that like button for me? It would mean so much to me and I appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any videos when I drop one on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.